Welcome to the Bashaw Family Chronicles. Today I'm going to be making a cleaning oil blend that is known as Thieves or On Guard. Is the two main versions of it that are out on the market. And then I will also be making a cleaner using that. So, stay tuned and join us as I make this. First thing you'll need is an empty bottle. Take the top off. Take off the dripper spout. And then the ingredients will be listed down below with their amounts. But it's 80 drops of clove. And then depending on whether you know it as Thieves, it would be lemon, or On Guard, it'd be orange. I use a combination of the two. It's 70 drops total, so I do 35 of one and 35 of the other. Next is 40 drops of cinnamon. 30 drops of eucalyptus. And then 20 drops of rosemary. The base for this cleaning disinfectant blend. The recipe I use also has some alternative oils that you can put into it, which I usually do. It's 20 to 40 drops total that you can put in. I do 10 frankincense, 10 tea tree, and 20 lavender. And you just put everything back together. Make sure that you have it properly labeled so that you know what it is. I do so by putting a sticker on the top. And then you just mix it up. And then what I use is Copycat of Thieves Cleaner. When we were part of Young Living, we got the Thieves Cleaner quite a bit, liked it, but wanted to find a cheaper way to do it, and this one works just as good. What it is I doubled the recipe that will be posted down below, but I have 2 cups of water in here already. Then you use the Castile soap, and that you put 2 teaspoons. Since I'm doubling this though, it'll be 4. In reality, it doesn't use very much soap. And then it's 16 drops of the cleaning oil. Because I'm doubling this batch, it was 36 drops. Then you just shake it up to mix it all together. And that's the cleaner. You can dilute it down to 1 part cleaner to 30 parts water for most cleaning, or stronger as you need. Please leave a comment down below if you would like to see any other blends. I'm making them as we need them normally and just recording and put them up here for people to learn about this. It's something I did a lot of research on how to find them and get them done properly. And thanks for watching.
Be sure to subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to hit the notifications bell so that you'll get our latest video when it comes out.